We can use Desmos to approximate or even in some cases find exact solutions to equations. For example, the equation the square root of x is 3 has one solution, and what you see is the line x equals 9 plotted, so you know the solution is x equals 9. If you look at the equation x squared plus 3x equals 4, you can see that it has two solutions. Just by looking at the screen, it looks like they are x equals 1 and x equals negative 4. You're going to have a vertical line by each solution to an equation. If you look at the equation, 1 times 6 to the x is equal to 200,000. It looks like x is around 7. We'll learn how to actually solve this exactly a little later on. If you look at this radical equation, the square root of x plus 3 times the square root of x plus 1 equals 7. It looks like there's one solution. It looks like it's around maybe 2.2 or so. We'll see if we can solve this in class algebraically. If you look at this equation, x squared is 2x minus 1. It looks like there's just one solution. It looks like the solution is 1. But if you look at the equation, x squared equals 2x plus 5, it looks like there are two solutions. One looks like it's around 3.4 or so, and the other looks like it's around negative 1.6 or so. We'll check these later. If you look at this equation, 5,000 times e to the negative 0.000121x equals 2,500. You may have to zoom out with your mouse. It looks like here the equation has a solution. X is around, let's see, almost 6,000, maybe around 5,700. We'll interpret this later on. Here's another equation. We'll interpret this later on. Looks like the solution here, x is around maybe 160 or so. We'll find this later on and interpret it. And here are two other graphs. One is y equals 2 to the x. That's in blue with a little table. And we also have, if you imagine that graph as being flipped over the line y equals x, you get that green graph, which we will see later on is the graph of y equals log base 2 of x. And we'll talk about these later on. And finally, just y equals x. That's that purple line in the middle. That's all on this. Bye-bye.